This is the best street food ever!
I told you you'd love Korea.
Ito, i-attach mo lang. Kahit bukas na i-layout to, no rush naman.
Magkano yan, sir?
Bigyan mo ng 250 isa. 250.
Okay.
Here's our hotel. Hey guys, so we already checked in, pero lalabas muna kami kasi gugutom na kami. Tapos kailangan namin bumili ng adapter, sa akin na yung cord, dahil di kami makapag-charge. So here is the room. Maliit lang siya. Maganda yung location ng hotel. Let's go! Ang cute Crocs bread. Ito. Oh, itong bread. Nakikita-kita ko ito parate sa vlog. Gutom na. Ibang kimchi dito. Ang sarap ng kimchi in pair. Okay. OA, pero yes. Ang sarap. Ang timpla ng samjang. Sarap.
Pag piniprintahan namin, lumalabas yung square chip sa loob. Kaya itatry ko na namin, ma'am. Kasi meron yung chip na maliit. So,
전동 열차 이용 중.
Good morning. We are going to Coex Mall. Puntahan
Ano
namin
meron doon?
yung Starfield na library. Merong aquarium doon. If gusto mo pumunta sa aquarium.
lambot din yan.
Okay, we're now here.
You look at me like I'm quiet, like I'm easy to read. But I got something you don't know, yeah. Watch me take the lead. You think you've got me figured out? I'ma wait for the moment in the dark. Every time you blink, I'm changing. Go ahead and watch me smile.
Hey guys, so it's our second full day here and we're gonna look for a breakfast spot. This is Myeongdong in the morning. Walang mga street foods. Ito na lang. Ano ba to? Garlic chicken. Kimchi fried rice. Hey guys, so we are waiting for our bus 7011. We're going to Gyeongbokgung. Wait, ulit. We're going to Gyeongbokgung Palace. Lapit na yung bus namin, guys. Now going to the palace. Ay, merong mga yung mga guards. Meron yung mga guards. Hala, ang cute. May nakikita ko mga naka-hanbok. Pero ang init eh. Sobrang init o sobrang tirik nung araw. Oh, shucks. Oo nga. Ang funny may line yung pagpapapicture dun sa mga guards. Pero kapag winter na lang. Guys, so ang cute.
Ayan, may ticket dito lang. Oh. Ticket dito. Oh. Wala.
Ang ganda. Ang cool. Ulitin mo. Fun fact. Fun fact. Kung bakit ano to? Limestone?
Hindi, basta ganito. Crash something.
Kasi
Kasi para paggabi, pag may invade sila, maririnig yung
footsteps.
footsteps.
Wow! Amazing. Guys, we suggest kapag pupunta pala kayo dito, kailangan nyo ng water. Walang, ayun, may store.
So hindi niya nasuggest.
Hindi na pala kailangan ng water.
Ano yun?
Meron palang store.
Well, may sari-sari store dito
Si Palace, no? So, noong unang panahon, dyan bumibili yung mga...
Walang ganun.
Dyan sila bumibili
May
ng
sarili
water.
silang
Meron silang
May 7-Eleven sila sa loob.
Tsaka meron silang chips dyan. And chocolates. Okay? Okay! Heritage. Gyeongbokgung.
Doctor Doom has actually been in the MCU since Avengers Doomsday. Donald Trump.
Bawal pala may drinks sa bus kahit daw coffee. So, ubusin muna namin yung drinks.
Sige, i-double check. Kasi may pa sa atin kasi dapat. Pero kung gabi, pwede natin bugahan pa bukas. Super salad. I'll take the super salad.
Bakit super salad?
Soup or salad?
Ay, super
salad.
Hey guys, we're here at the Han River. Bibili lang kami ng ramyun tsaka ng wings. So try namin mag ramyun and wings here. Oo, itatry ko.
Ano pa naman sa'yo?
Ramyun, chicken fries, beer, and for rice, coke, and rice. Han River. Oh. Hey guys, so we ordered sandwich dun sa Isaac, and then may katabi siyang CU na store, na convenience store. So, here. Orders here. Hey guys, we are now on our way to Namsan Cable Car. Kill dito, parang Baguio.
Yeah, the one that's just, you know, that's looking at like the whole city.
Tara, lover bill tayo. Anong color gusto mo? Red? Red?
Ikaw nang bahala.
White?
White pa.
White?
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Yan.
Ayan, tapos ilalak mo na. Hindi mo na. Tatanggal mo yung ano yung red. Okay na?
It's not up.
Hey guys, so dapat nasa Hanamdong na kami, pero naiwan kami ng bus. Tapos 18 minutes yung difference nila. So, tagal pa namin mag-aantay. Hey guys, so we are now here at Hanamdong neighborhood, and it's like this. Dito daw ang madaming mga mali. Seryoso? Bababa. Madaming cafes, mga flagship stores. Okay. Ay, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ah, ouch. Yung tuhod ko may something. Ano ba to? Ano ko matanda dito? Ang ganda. Ano to? Monclos. Uy, salon ba to? Ay, hindi. Perfume shop. Kuha ng isa pa.
Ano?
Okay, I'll try. Okay, I'll try.
Hindi, strong. Dapat daw i-shake.
Hindi nga daw. Sa second. Second. First muna, okay. Oh, okay. Let's try another more. Okay.
Ano ba yan? Liquor?
So I can shake now.
Okay, thank you. Good, yeah.
Finally trying this creamy latte. Guys, ang kulo may mist. So waiting area lang kasi sobrang init. Cool.
Sa layout nila. Oh, layout nila yun. Layout nila yan.
Now here at Gangnam Street. Hey guys, we're here at Five Guys and may binigay sa amin. Wait, sorry. May binigay sa amin na ganito. Free soda valid when purchasing a free soda coupon valid when purchasing a burger. So each card gives one free soda. You must buy a burger to use. Okay, alam mag-soda ulit tayo. Hindi na tayo mag-dinner nito. There's a free popcorn. Locals' favorite daw dito sa Pyeongchon. Fried chicken.
Makboli.
Pyeongchon! Makgoli yung drink. Hey guys, so dito na kami magbo-brunch to some place. Okay, let's go, lover. Wow, so cute. Let's try their matcha. One. And then one.
Don't set you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Abalone soup with udon, kimchi and ramen, fried pork chop.
Doon ko nga siklet. Ayan, papasok na tayo.
Pasok na tayo. Saan yung deers?
May deer ba dito?
Meron!
Wala naman.
Meron yan! Ito. May mga deer. Ayun no, Park 2. Footbridge.
Yun ang 2. Ito ang 1. Yung 3 katabi niya eh. So mag 1, 3, 2 tayo.
Wala yung garden? Yung garden, meron ba yung tulip garden? 30 minutes away lang to sa Myeongdong, guys. Tapos 1 bus ride lang. Ito yung kanina, guys, oh. Pinapatubo lang siguro muna nila. Ang cool. Ganda. Okay. Ang laki. Hi! Harap. Lasang vanilla na ito. Eh, churros ba to? Churros. Hey guys, so we are now here at Songsu. Ayan. Yung neighborhood. Hey guys, so it's our last day here in Seoul. Medyo gloomy siya. May chance of raining pero mamayang 10 PM pa. So sana sa flight namin walang turbulence. So yun lang, update for today. Hanap lang kami ng mapagbe-breakfast. So hello.
Ay, hi!
Morning.
Morning. Currently 11:30 here in Seoul.
Trying Holies. ng beverage.
Hello?
Philly cheesecake.
Yes.
Sa akin, hindi ko alam kung BLT or food and bar. Sandwich. Cheese egg brioche. Sausage croissant. Egg toast hot. Olive bacon. Double cheese. Ah, hirap. Wait lang. Souffle. Ah, ito na din. Hati tayo.
Oh.
Tapos, ito, yung tea, meron dito. Lemon ginger.
Sige. Ay,
Ay, wait.
Temperature.
May temperature hot. Regular. Tapos, sa akin,